Alright, we're going to take another look at what's going on down here. Damn it. That's my Harbor Freight transmission jack I just got. I already got the rear drive shaft out and the transfer case cross member. I'm going to have to speak up a little bit. My daughter's cutting the grass. Right there you can see where that goes. And here's one of the problems that I've got. This class 3 active leak, transmission fluid. And that's coming right there. And I'm not real happy with that. So I got leaks all up underneath here. You can see there. Alright, so once I get the transfer case out, start working on seals and gaskets. I want to go as far as I can within my limits of knowledge. Got to get this inspection plate off and drop a transmission. And then I'm also got to do the oil pan, gasket, and rear main seal. The next thing I'm getting ready to do is pull a front drive shaft, and that's going back to here on the transfer case. And you can see that's one of the problems I'm fighting off. There's quite a bit of work left to do under here. So wish me the best of luck, because damn it, I'm going to need it.